A-level biologists, remember we do have the link in the bio to sign up for our Easter revision course. We have them for both AQA and OCR A-level. And remember, the first 6 hours are free, no obligation, no commitment. So click the link in the bio and make sure you secure your spot, and I will see you there. In the meantime, we're going to do a really quick question just to check your recall, your AO1. Can we state, easiest command word ever, 3 comparisons of genetic diversity that scientists can use to classify organisms or living things? So it has to be linked to genetic diversity. The first thing we can say is you can study the base sequence of DNA. So you'd be looking for how many similarities are there, how many differences are there. Obviously, the fewer differences in the base sequence of DNA, the more closely related the species are, or the more recently they shared a common ancestor. Similar to that, you can look at the base sequence of mRNA. And again, the fewer differences in the base sequence, that's suggesting they're more closely related or shared a more recent common ancestor. The third one you might have forgotten about, but you can look at the amino acid sequence of a protein. And you'd have to pick a protein that all the different organisms had, like cytochrome C is one that's often used. You'd have to pick a protein that they all had so you could compare the amino acid sequence. But again, the fewer differences in the sequence of amino acids, the more likely it is that they're closely related and shared a more recent common ancestor. And the reason this works is because obviously the sequence of amino acids is determined by the sequence of bases in the messenger RNA, which is determined by the sequence of bases in the DNA. So they're the 3 comparisons of genetic diversity that you should be aware of for A-level biology.